washing machine has not fundamentally changed in over 50 years. Same drum, same water, same chemistry. What goes in comes out cleaner, but also more damaged, more worn, and slightly smaller than it was before.
The industry calls this an acceptable trade-off. One company in Sheffield decided it wasn't.
Xeros Technology Group has spent more than a decade building what they call the future of laundry, driven by one deceptively simple idea. What if the thing doing the cleaning wasn't just the water? The answer is X-orbs, small polymer beads that go in the drum with your clothes, tackling stains and absorbing dyes directly, doing the work that normally needs large volumes of heated water and harsh chemicals. Clothes undergo a fraction of the mechanical stress, enabling them to last longer, with Xeros' own testing showing they can last more than twice as long. Proven in commercial laundry, it's now ready for the home. Xeros has signed a deal with a top 10 global washing machine brand, access to up to 7 million units a year with its certification mark on the front, with 3 more top 10 OEMs in active verification. 1 billion domestic machines are installed worldwide, 100 million sold each year, and it licenses the technology inside, collecting royalties as volumes grow. The same technology is also used in denim manufacturing across Pakistan, Egypt, Turkey, and Bangladesh, replacing pumice stone, a finite resource that's contaminated after just one wash, with a reusable alternative that cuts water, energy, chemicals, and cost. A greener technology that unusually saves the industry money. Their second innovation is X-Filter. 35% of all microplastics entering the ocean come from laundry. X-Filter works with any domestic washing machine and captures microplastics before they reach the drain. Maintenance-free, with no parts to replace and nothing to consume, independently verified at a 98% capture rate. It's now ready for market, and with over 1 billion machines worldwide as retrofit candidates, the market is vast. This summer, it reaches UK and European retail shelves. The regulatory tailwinds are significant too. Legislation is being written across Europe, Australia, the UK, and the United States to mandate inclusion, and Xeros is in the room helping draft the EU standard. X-Filter is one of very few solutions expected to meet it. Of course, this is a company with a lot still to prove. The licensing model is the thesis, not the track record, and a lean team is running multiple large OEM integrations simultaneously. Execution risk is, of course, real. Still, a machine like this one is already in 1 billion homes. The question is, how many of them over time will progress to using Xeros technology? The OEM deal already puts 7 million a year on the way. The rest depends on whether the licensing model proves itself at scale. Could Xeros become the Dyson of the laundry industry?